I have a hairline crack on my Bosch glass stovetop. Can it be repaired? If it cannot be repaired, can I still use the burner with the hairline crack?
Hi. Welcome to Just Answer. I am sorry, but the crack cannot be repaired. If you like, pour some super glue and top the crack and let it dry. Scrape off any excess with a sharp single-edge razor. This will help keep water and grease out of the crack. You can use the burner, but be careful not to spill anything into the crack. Even while cleaning, be careful to keep the crack from getting any water into it. A damp cloth is okay, but not soaking wet. Please let me know if you have any additional concerns. It will not close the question, and you may ask all the follow-up questions you like after rating my servos. Thank you. Best, Smitty.
Thank you. I will try the superglue solution. Also, I turned on the burner and it goes on, but after a while the digital number that shows the heat level starts blinking. What does that mean?
Liz, may I have the unit's model number, please? If your unit is an induction type, you may have to replace the glass before you can continue using it.
There's no model number on the stovetop. I purchased the house with a unit installed and I don't have the user manual. There are 5 burners, a large one on the left, that's the one with the hairline crack, and smaller burner to the right, and 3 small burners above these. Hope that helps.
Unfortunately, it doesn't. Have a look at the bottom of the stovetop. There should be a manufacturer's label there. If it isn't there, look on the sides. Use a flashlight if you need to.
Okay, I found it. NES 935 UC/01.
Great. One moment, please. Just got the service manual on the tech site. Give me a minuet to look through it.
Okay.
Sorry for the wait, Liz. I needed to check and make sure that there wasn't a sensor or something that detects cracks in a surface. As long as the unit is not displaying a fault code, you are okay to use the unit. There is no mention of the digital display flashing. What is causing it? I'm not sure. It may be possible that when the crack was made it affected the display. The only way to resolve something like that would be to replace the whole control board. That is a very expensive part to replace, I'm afraid to say. Please let me know if you have any other concerns. Thank you. Best, Smitty.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.